In this video, we will discuss the two sections of the general ledger. The general ledger is like the brain of a business's accounting system. But did you know it's actually divided into two main parts? Let's find out why that is. The general ledger is the main record of all a business's accounts. Every single transaction the business makes is eventually recorded here. To keep things organized, the ledger is divided into two main sections, the balance sheet section and the nominal accounts section. The balance sheet section contains accounts for assets, liabilities, capital, and drawings. Assets are the things the business owns, like vehicles, equipment, and cash in the bank. Liabilities are what the business owes to others, such as loans or money owed to suppliers. Capital is the amount the owner has invested in the business, and drawings are when the owner takes money or goods out for personal use. The nominal accounts section contains accounts for income and expenses. Income is the money the business earns from sales or services. Expenses are the costs of running the business, like wages, rent, stationery, or water and electricity. Let's try a quick activity. Which section does each of these accounts belong to? Balance sheet or nominal? Wages, loan, stationery, current income, and drawings. Think about what each account represents before you decide. Wages is an expense, so that goes into the nominal section. Loans are liabilities, and that will go into the balance sheet section. Stationery is an expense and will go to the nominal section. Current income is income and will go to the nominal section. Drawings will go to the balance sheet section. So, to recap, the balance sheet section includes assets, liabilities, capital, and drawings. The nominal account section includes income and expenses. By understanding these two sections, you can easily classify accounts and keep the ledger organized. And that's the first step towards accurate accounting.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.